Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing the moon far larger than ever before. Its glow would dominate the heavens, shining brighter than anything else. At first, it might look beautiful, but soon the consequences would be terrifying. The moon's stronger gravity would pull the oceans into massive tidal waves. Cities near coasts would be flooded again and again. For people living by the sea, survival would become almost impossible. As the moon came closer, Earth's crust would begin to crack and shift. Huge fissures would open in the ground, and volcanoes would erupt more violently than ever. The planet itself would start tearing apart under the stress. Eventually, the moon could not withstand Earth's gravity. It would break apart into enormous fragments raining down from the sky. These impacts would destroy landscapes, create firestorms, and boil the oceans. If the whole moon finally collided with Earth, the planet would be completely shattered. Nothing alive could survive such an event. Luckily, this is only a terrifying what-if scenario.